Enhancing the protein content of wheat. Introduction. Protein is one of the most important aspects of wheat quality. It is driven primarily by the chosen variety and the available nitrogen supply. Weather and soil conditions also impact protein content. In general, high-quality flours require a protein level of at least 11.5%. Tailored fertilization is the most powerful lever for adjusting protein content to the desired level. Nitrogen transfer. To produce proteins, a plant needs nitrogen. It builds up in the grain at the end of the vegetation cycle. Roughly 80% of the nitrogen in the grains is absorbed before flowering, while only about 20% is absorbed after flowering. Nitrogen availability during ear filling thus impacts final protein content. Maximum nitrogen efficiency. Yield increases with nitrogen supply until the agronomic optimum is reached. Protein content increases even beyond the agronomic optimum. Excess nitrogen supply, however, builds up in the soil and needs to be avoided. High nitrogen uptake efficiency improves nitrogen availability for the plant and thus reduces the need for additional application. Split application and the use of ammonium nitrate are the first choice to maximize uptake efficiency. Late application. Late application facilitates nitrogen transfer to the ear and thus increases protein content. The scheme shows how the timing of the last application of 60 kilograms of nitrogen influences yield and protein. Early application at stage 39 is compared to late application at stage 51. By choosing the date and rate of the last application, the targeted yield-protein balance can be achieved. Adequate nitrogen form. Ammonium nitrate produces lower losses than UAN or urea and offers better nitrogen uptake efficiency. It is therefore the adequate choice to achieve high protein content. This holds especially true for the critical late application. With a total nitrogen supply of 210 kilograms per hectare in 3 applications, it makes a significant difference whether the last application of 85 kilograms per hectare is provided as ureic fertilizer or as ammonium nitrate. Monitoring nitrogen status. Dosage and timing of the last nitrogen application is facilitated by precision farming tools, such as the N-tester. The device measures the plant's actual nitrogen status in real time and thus enables adjusting the last application for optimum efficiency at least cost. Use of the N-tester in more than 240 field trials increased protein by 0.3 points and yield by 120 kilograms per hectare on the average. Sulfur fertilization. Late application of sulfur narrows the nitrogen-sulfur ratio and enhances protein content. It improves gluten strength and thus the baking quality of the wheat flour. Conclusions. For optimum wheat quality and protein content, select the appropriate wheat variety. Ensure high nitrogen efficiency. Use ammonium nitrate instead of UAN or urea. Plan for late application. Monitor the crop's actual nitrogen status. Combine application of sulfur and nitrogen. For more multimedia contents on farming, please visit our YouTube channel or Yara website.